abayeekera tutandika olubimbi ne tulumala. Ate ne tuddayo ne tutandika olubimbi olulala. Omunyankwere bw'alaba olimako katono olubimbi ate n'oddayo n'otandika agamba nti ogwo nazaanira omusiri, onazanyira mu ndimiro, si mulimi oyo azanyira mu ndimiro. Fortunately for Uganda, our oil is about to start flowing. Banange Katonda ayagala NRM nnyo. God favors NRM with a special emphasis. The British were here for 68 years. And from 1920 up to 1956, they tried to look for the petroleum of Uganda, but they failed. They were looking for the petroleum because there were signs on the surface. There were seepages. In Bunyoro there, a place called Kibiro. Kibiro, Okubira, in our Bantu, in our Runyakitara, means something boiling. So there was, you can see petroleum on the surface. Now the British tried to get the petroleum for almost 40 years, and they failed and they gave up. And they said maybe the petroleum was there, but it evaporated because of the volcanic activities. When NRM came, we discovered the petroleum. You show them where we are now. You freeze that one now. That is